So I hear Popeyes is out here serving blackened chicken tenders. Let me tell you something. I can do it better. I had to break out the singing on y'all real quick. I'm about to show you how it's really done. Whip it up with Jay's blackened chicken tenders. Let's not waste no time. Let's get started. So I have myself 12 tenderloins and then my seasoning blend right here. Everything will be listed on the screen and in the description box as well. Go ahead and give your seasoning a mix. Yes, you may absolutely use chicken breast and slice to strips, but I do recommend you getting tenderloins by itself. Okay guys, so I have my tenderloins here in a bowl. I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil on these bad boys, giving them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. Once that's taken care of, you know we got to be very generous with the seasoning, baby. You know what they say, if you are not sneezing, then you is not seasoning, baby. So go ahead and make sure your tenderloins are well coated up like this. And if they ain't, send them back to the kitchen. You know what I mean? Gotta be well coated up like this if you're trying to make you some blackened chicken tenders, baby. So I have my pan here to about a medium high. I'm drizzling a little bit of peanut oil because we kind of like pan frying these bad boys, okay? And I'm just dropping them all in. I'm cooking them 6 at a time. You want to go ahead and cook them for about 3 minutes or so per side. Keep an eye on your chicken tenders so they do not burn. They will come out a little dark, and that's normal just based on our seasoning blend. Remember, we're making blackened chicken tenders. Blackened, you know what I mean? They are gonna come out a little dark just based on the seasoning, and that's what you're looking for here. So after about 3 minutes or so, I'm just gonna give it a flip like so, and wow, wow, wow. Look at the beautiful color, look at the beautiful result. And you wanna go ahead and let it do its thing on the other side, then remove them from the heat. And I know you're gonna ask me the question, can these go in the air fryer? But of course they can go in the air fryer, come on now. You could just follow the same steps and just throw it in the air fryer instead of the oil. You know what I mean? So this is pretty much it. The first batch is out the way. I'm removing this from the heat, and I'm gonna go ahead and complete the second batch off camera. But yes, look how easy this is, and look how beautiful this is, and it is so darn tasty. I can't wait for you to try it. You know what I mean? So this is it. So juicy and tender, baby. So flavorful. And this is not spicy. It is not spicy. I repeat, if you do want to make it spicy, you can add about a teaspoon of some cayenne pepper, which I did not add because I'm not too much of a spice guy myself. But yes, you can add it. This is definitely on the mild side, and it's so delicious, and I can't wait for you to try it. Once you do, double back in the comments and let me know how'd you love it. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.